Yeah, you're right, guys and girls. Welcome back to another video of mine on my YouTube channel. Now, if you have seen this yet, but you probably won't see it until my birthday, because I'm doing a review now on it. Well, not a review, but more of the camera test. This is the front camera test of the Sony Experia 10. This is a new camera phone, smart camera phone, and recording in 4K. Not too sure if it's HDR because it's got a HDR mode, but I've got to try and find out how to turn that on. This is in 4K, H265 codec. So I'm hoping I think that's the highest one you can get. Not too sure what frame rate it is, probably 25 frames most likely for these sort of camera phones. But yeah, this is going to be uploaded for my birthday, on the day of my birthday, so I'm going to put like a date on it and stuff, and the time and all that, so it's past midnight or something like that. But yeah, I'm just wondering if this is in low light, so I haven't checked it out, but I'll look on the footage, see if this 4K footage is quite clean. Let's go to my nose or my face, there we go, see how well it focuses in. And this is bigger than my Samsung Galaxy S6, a little bit bigger, but not much. Just need to get a case for this now. So this is my sort of birthday present for the 17th of March, where I'll be 32 years old and becoming an old man. So yeah, that looks quite cool, guys and girls. Let us know in the comments below if you like this.